In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own picture as a graph background in Excel. First, make sure you have your data ready in your worksheet. Then click anywhere outside the cells so you can clearly see the ribbon. Head to the Insert tab at the top. From here, choose Bar Chart. In the drop-down that appears, pick the Clustered Chart option. This is a clean, versatile layout and a great starting point. Excel will place a basic chart on your sheet using your selected data or nearby data it detects. Now let's turn that plain chart into something more personal. Double-click any empty area inside the chart. Avoid the bars themselves so that the Format panel opens on the right. At the top of that panel, check that it says Chart Area. If it shows something like Series or Plot Area, click once on the outer chart background to switch the focus to the full chart area. In the Format panel, click the Paint Bucket icon to open Fill Settings. Select Picture or Texture Fill. You'll see options to bring a picture into the chart. Click the Insert button under the Picture Source section. This opens your file picker. Browse to the image you want to use. Ideally, something subtle and not too busy. Select it, and confirm to insert. Your picture now sits behind the chart. If the colors feel overpowering or your bars and labels are hard to read, use the transparency slider right there in the Format panel to dial the image back. A bit of transparency often makes your data pop while keeping the background tasteful. If the picture looks tiled or repeats, look for the Tile Picture as Texture option. Turning it off keeps the image as a single background. If the picture seems stretched in an odd way, try resizing the chart itself so its aspect ratio better matches your image. A quick tip: high contrast combinations work best. If your bars are dark, a lighter, softer background keeps things legible. You can also consider simplifying charting, like reducing grid line intensity or using bold labels, so the data remains front and center. And if you accidentally filled the bars instead of the background, that just means the data series was selected. Click on the blank chart area and choose Picture or Texture Fill again to apply it to the background instead. That's all there is to it. Insert your chart, choose the clustered layout, open the Format panel, pick Picture or Texture Fill, click Insert, and select your photo. With a few transparency tweaks, your chart will look polished, personal, and presentation ready.